What is Nemo Point? The most isolated place on the planet. In the middle of the immense Pacific Ocean there is a place so remote that the closest humans are usually on the International Space Station. It is Nemo Point, also known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. But what exactly does that mean and why is it so special? Where is the Nemo dot? Nemo Point is located at approximately 48 degrees 52.6 S 123 degrees 23.6 W, in the South Pacific. It is more than 2,600 kilometers from any land mass, making it the farthest ocean point from land on the entire planet. The closest lands are Juicy Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands; Motu Nui Island, near Easter Island; Ma Island, Antarctica. These islands are so distant that even satellites, or the International Space Station, often pass closer to Point Nemo than anyone on the Earth's surface. Why is it called Nemo Point? The name Nemo comes from Latin and means nobody. But it is also a literary nod to Captain Nemo, the character on the submarine Nautilus in Jules Verne's novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. It was identified by Croatian-Canadian engineer Hrvoje Lukatela in 1992, using a geolocation program to find the farthest point from land. What's in the Nemo dot? Physically, there is nothing. It is simply open ocean, with no visible islands, no ships nearby, no active trade routes. It is a region where marine life is scarce due to lack of nutrients, and where humans rarely arrive. Interestingly, space agencies such as NASA or Roscosmos use it as a spacecraft graveyard. When a satellite or spacecraft is no longer operational, it is often directed to fall in this area, due to its isolation. More than 260 space objects have fallen into the waters of Nemo Point, including parts of space stations such as the Mir. Mysteries and curiosities. In 1997, a mysterious sound called the bloop was detected near Nemo Point. Although it was thought to be from an unknown creature, it was eventually attributed to a natural phenomenon such as ice breaking up. Nemo Point has inspired science fiction stories and conspiracy theories because of its extreme isolation and mysterious aura. It is largely unexplored, and some scientists believe it may hide secrets about the deepest oceans. Why is it so fascinating? Nemo Point represents absolute isolation. In an era where everything seems to be connected, this corner of the ocean remains one of the places least touched by humanity. It is a symbol of mystery, the unknown, and the immense power of nature. In summary, Nemo Point is the farthest place in the ocean from land. It is located in the South Pacific, more than 2,600 kilometers from any island. It is so remote that often the closest humans are in space. It is used as a satellite graveyard. It remains an almost unexplored place full of mystery. Thank you for watching the video.